Hello guys, welcome back. And today I'd like to show you making the exhaust, actually the header for this Magnum GP engine with the reservoir. I'm not sure if you can really see this very well, but I will try. This is Dura weld sticks, you can buy them on eBay. The difference between welding and soldering is actually in soldering, the metal actually don't melt really. It's only heating up and the stick melts. And welding is actually melting both, and also the stick is melting into the buff. So this is actually the difference. I use this hobby torch, like this one. The propane heater will not heat up very well, so this is actually the way to do it. I also put a alu sheet beneath there, because if it's dripping it's really very hot and can ignite wooden floors, so be careful with this. Okay, I try first to heat up everything. I put a fixture here so everything will be held together, so it will not fall down. It's for soldering stuff. And let's try to do this. First I open my gas. And my flame. Just a tiny flame, not too big, not too hot. And I will start to heat up the stuff. I clean a little bit on the outside so it will not take up all the heat. So it will heat up pretty fast. But be careful because it's aluminium, it will not be orange, it will just drip away. And just clean before you start. And try to scratching, and in 1 minute it will be hot enough so it will start to take the stick, the metal. It's a silicium compound of something, and it works really pretty good. Okay, it's starting, you see? Very easy. Just be careful not to apply too much heat, because you will lose the part. And that's it. Done. Looks actually pretty good. I don't know if you can make it close up. Flowing nicely in the crack. So it should be a very strong and tight connection. And it's very hard stuff. Actually, if you try to file it or drill it, it's very hard. So actually only grinding is the way to do it. Okay, and the next step will be making the razor pipe to this pipe. But I'm not ready yet, so next step. Okay, testing the razor pipe. First one. It's very cold. You see this? Prevent to be in Spain is better. see what happens. The whole table is moving to the front. So I think it will pull enough. Thanks for watching, guys.